Good day folks, Jim Langs here from FX Charts with the currency outlook for the Finance News Network for Thursday the 30th of October. It's been a pretty quiet session really today with New York closed because of the storm. The markets have had really pretty much a sideways drift, and with the United States markets looking like they'll be closed again this evening, I don't expect an awful lot to happen, so it's going to be fairly quiet, pretty thin on the ground as well. So we've got the euro at 129, cables at 160.30, dollar yen's at 79.80, and dollar Swiss is at 95.65. The risk markets were a little bit soft, the euro included, really due to ongoing concerns, the normal concerns over Greece and Spain, and also on the general global economic growth outlook. The Aussie and the Kiwi, they both followed suit. They're a little bit soft, but not really doing a great deal. The Aussie's at 103.35 and the Kiwis at 81.90. The Aussie 200-day moving average is at 103.40, and that's acting as a bit of a magnet. And I don't really think we're going to go too far away in the coming session. The highlight today for the markets will be in Asia. We've got the BOJ meeting, an increase of 10 trillion yen in the asset purchase program is pretty much priced in, and we may need to see a bit more than that if the dollar's to get back above 80. But in the meantime, it's hemmed in between 79.40, where the 200-day moving averages provided good support recently, and 80 the figure. But we'll have to wait and see later on this afternoon what happens there. Tonight, there's a bit of data out of Europe. We've got consumer confidence and the German unemployment data. There's also supposed to be some data out of the States. I'm not sure whether that's going to get released or not, but I think we've got the Case-Shiller home price index as well as US consumer confidence. But we'll have to wait and see. I don't know if it's going to be released or not, because the US looks like it's going to be closed. Anyway, that's about it today. If you do want a more comprehensive outlook on the markets, go to the website as usual, www.fxcharts.com.au. And that aside, plus just please remember that any outlook mentioned here is a personal view only and not intended to be used as training advice. That's all for today. Have a very good one. Talk to you tomorrow. Cheers.